How to buy ELONDOGE meme token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards in crypto with the best referral code. Details goes below. Funds your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token, it's available for pre-sale. So to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just read this that they say to participate in the ELONDOGE sale, you can send Solana or USDC to the pre-sale address Ethereum. Users can also make secure payments through the Coinbase commerce. So after the sale, the tokens will be automatically airdropped to your wallet. The tokens you receive will be allocated and distributed based on your total contribution of Solana and USDC. So what you need to do is just copy the address from here and go and open your wallet that you have that's enough Solana on it. For example, I will use the Phantom wallet. Now click on send, select the Solana as you can see. Now here just paste the address that you copied from their pre-sale page. So here type how much you want to send of that for that address to be able to receive the tokens. So after that, click on next and you will be able to send that amount to that address. So this is how to buy ELONDOGE meme token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.